What is cloud engineering? Welcome to Techtalk by DEXA. We'll explain cloud engineering to you now in the most simplified way. Imagine you have a lot of toys and books that you want to store, but your room is too small. So, you ask your parents to store some of them in the attic or garage. Cloud engineering is like building a magical attic or garage that's invisible and can store lots of information, like pictures, videos, and documents, from anywhere in the world. Instead of using physical boxes, cloud engineers create special containers on the internet to store and manage this information. They make sure it's safe, easy to access, and can be shared with others. Just like how you can access your toys in the attic or garage, people can access their information, stored in the cloud, from any device with an internet connection. Cloud engineers are like the architects and builders of this magical storage space, making sure it's strong, secure, and works smoothly. Pretty cool, right? How to become a cloud engineer, a step-by-step guide. As the demand for cloud computing continues to grow, the need for skilled cloud engineers is becoming increasingly important. In this article, we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to become a cloud engineer, covering the essential skills, knowledge, and certifications required to succeed in this field. Step 1. Learn the basics. Start by learning the fundamentals of cloud computing, including deployment models, public, private, hybrid, service models, IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, cloud security and architecture. Online resources such as Coursera, edX, and Udemy offer introductory courses on cloud computing. Step 2. Choose a cloud platform. Select a cloud platform to specialize in, such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Each platform offers its own set of services and tools, so it's essential to choose one that aligns with your career goals. Step 3. Gain practical experience. Get hands-on experience with cloud platforms through online labs and tutorials, personal projects and experimentation, participation in hackathons and coding challenges. This step is crucial in developing your skills and understanding of cloud computing. Step 4. Earn certifications. Obtain certifications such as AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, Azure Certified Cloud Developer Associate, Google Cloud Certified Professional Cloud Developer. Certifications demonstrate your expertise and commitment to potential employers. Step 5. Stay up to date. Stay current with industry trends, updates, and best practices through continuous learning and professional development, attending webinars, conferences, and workshops, participating in online communities and forums. By following these steps, you can develop the skills and knowledge required to become a successful cloud engineer. Remember to stay focused, persistent, and always keep learning.